Hello everyone, I will show you how to download and install the PyCharm. So simply type it here, PyCharm download. Open the first link. Yeah, here you can see the two options. One is professional and other one is community version. Professional version is not free. It offers you a 30-day free trial, but community version you can download it for free. So click the download and the download will be started soon. Here the download has been started. Wait for some time to complete the download. You can see the downloading has been done. Now open. The downloading step is very straightforward. Just click next. Well, we have a couple of options here. For the time being, I recommend only to check on this option and click next. Next, it is being installed. It will take some time. PyCharm has been downloaded successfully. Now you have this window in front of you. So run PyCharm Community Edition, check on this option and then click on Finish. It will ask you to accept some terms and conditions. So click that, I confirm that, and then click on Continue. And then click Don't Send. Now the PyCharm is opening. Yes. This is the environment. You can the new project or another thing, creating environment variables. Okay. Now PyCharm is successfully installed. Yeah, now we have some code of which is written automatically. Yes, we run the code and we have the output printed here, Hi PyCharm. So this way you can install and install the PyCharm. I hope you like the video. Goodbye.